Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a blacksmith. I'm going to try to do some more fire welding. So this is the piece of forklift chain that we welded up the other day. It's not gone together completely, but I'm trying the Coke Forge now because that should get it to go together pretty good. I'm not a great fire welder. I can do it, but I'm not great at it. And it takes me a lot to do it, really. But Dan wanted to try it, so I thought, well, why not? Let's try it. So I'm going to try and get this together a bit more homogeneous. So stay tuned. Myself a solid bar of fork truck chain, which is really good. I was a bit worried there was a bit of a split in it, but it sounds pretty solid and it's really hard, whatever that chain link is made of. And it cooled down at the same rate, which is a good sign. It's one solid piece. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm not much of a fire welder. I can do it, but I don't choose to do it. It's not my favourite thing to do. I like hitting big bits of metal, personally. But yeah, why go to all this trouble to make this bar? Well, there was a video I posted recently, and it was called The Ultimate Cheese on Toast, and I'll get a box up here with a picture in and a link and stuff if I can. If not, I'll chuck it in the description. I'm still learning. And in that video, I made some epic cheese on toast. And one of my subscribers, Old James, commented, I hope I got your name right, Ol. He commented that I needed a workshop knife, and he was quite right. I do need a workshop knife. And I thought it was such a good idea. I said, well, I'm going to make myself a knife, but I'm also going to make you a knife, Ol, for the great idea, and send it out to you. And he said very kindly, no need to do that, Dan, but do make 2 knives and sell one for charity. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make 3 knives though. I'm going to make a knife for me, for the workshop. I'm going to make a knife for Alex. Now Alex is a young blacksmith that I also did a video on quite recently. I'll put a link up here or in the description depending on how well I get on with the links, and I suggest you go and watch his video to find out why I'm making him a knife. But the third knife will be the one that I will auction off for charity, and all the money that I raise from the third knife will go towards helping Alex. Now I hope I can get you guys behind me on this. It's still a new channel and I'm trying really hard, so let's try and do this together and give Alex as much help as we can. So like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or anything, I want to ask me anything about anything I do or the way I do it or what I'm doing or just anything, chuck one down in the comments. It'd be really great. I'd love to hear from you guys. It's one of the best bits about doing this YouTube stuff, the community that's growing. There's some nice guys that send in some really good comments, so thanks very much guys. Keep them coming, and go and check out those other videos. Cheers, bye bye.